happens to all of us this time of year. We get a gift card to a store that we never go to. Then the gift card expires. Well, Walmart is looking to remedy that problem with a new program that lets you exchange cards from more than 200 other stores for a Walmart card. However, the card is going to be worth a fraction of the value of the original gift card. But will this finally answer the question of how to keep gift cards from being wasted? And of course, is it good for business for Walmart? Marco Soriano, Managing Director of the Soriano Group, in first. Start with this though. There's a lot of gift cards that go unused, so even if you get 70 cents on the dollar, 80 cents on the dollar, sometimes a little bit more from Walmart, still a good deal for the consumer.
Well, right. So it's a good deal in the sense, first of all, you have to understand that Walmart's corporate strategy is to test this out to see how consumers are going to react to it. There isn't a metric component to really understand how valuable this is going to be for the revenue, for their profits. But I think by the end of next quarter, we should understand how this is actually going to impact. None of the corporate finance strategies have been given. So we're still to look at how
there's been a lot of websites, there's been all sorts of folks who have been doing this, and it works into sort of this, things are getting a little bit better, it seems as though, in terms of the economy, and there's often been a thought that there's going to be more spending. The Dow, over 18,000, GDP's way up, and gas prices were way down. A lot of people said that was going to really stimulate holiday shopping. Have we seen that?
Well, there's two ways of looking at this. When you look at the U.S. economy, you can look at what Wall Street is telling you, which in fact shows that the U.S. economy has been growing. That's the barometer to the U.S. economy. When you look at the fundamentals of the U.S. economy, it's the other way. So what we need to see is how these companies eventually are going to portray consumption to see and enact new strategies and to make people buy more.
As things are happening and, the consumers have more free dollars to spend, lower gas prices, those kinds of things, does that help retailers in the sense that there's more sales, or are they able to discount less if people still have money in their pocket? They don't have to offer as big of a discount.
So that's a very good question, actually, because and this is going back to what I was saying, there isn't exactly a metric to evaluate how good this is going to be. But imagine you have a card and they buy it back from you. You get a little bit of a percent that you can use within the store. But how do they use this money internally? Is it to buy inventory? Is it to expand it to hire more employees for the firm itself? Those are the answers to be those are the questions to be answered. Right?
Well, still a lot to be seen. Marco Soriano, Managing Director of the Soriano Group. We sure appreciate you coming in on Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and yours.
Merry Christmas to you too.